Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we introduce the Universal Milling Machine UWF 3.2. The machine features a console-type construction with a heavy frame made of high-quality grey cast iron using modern techniques for casting and machining. The large-dimensioned rectangular guideways are precision-ground and surface-hardened, guaranteeing high-precision machining long-term and are perfect for tough everyday production. The milling table has a large clamping surface, long travels, and can also be swiveled lengthways. The vertical and horizontal spindles each have their own drives with powerful motors and multi-stage gear shift. All gears and shafts are hardened, ground, and characterized by their smooth running. The universal milling head may be swiveled in two planes, making it possible to reach almost any spatial milling angle. Long milling arbors may be inserted into the machine's horizontal spindle for horizontal machining. The standard counter holder provides the necessary stability for effective horizontal machining. The infinitely variable feed drive in all axes is provided by a powerful servo-motor, the power of which is transmitted to the required axes via a gearbox. Rapid traverses in all axes also save valuable processing time by quickly positioning the work table. The position indicator directly integrated in the swiveling control panel is the new generation of our XPOS series. Speed, good readability and ease of use are amongst the great advantages and lead to a reduction in the error rate and greater production reliability. The UWF 3.2 offers universal machining solutions for many milling applications and is ideally suited for individual production, repair workshops and training departments. At KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer a large number of powerful milling machines and extensive accessories. Contact one of your KNUTH representatives today to find out more.